Hi, I'm Dr. Sampada Desai, consultant gynae oncologist at PD Hinduja Hospital, Mahi. Today I'm going to speak about HIPEC. HIPEC means hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy. This is a treatment option for patients with advanced ovarian cancer or a primary peritoneal cancer. The procedure of HIPEC involves two phases. One is cytoreductive phase and second is HIPEC phase. Both the phases are equally important. What happens during a cytoreductive phase is that we remove the tumor from the abdomen entirely. This may be a complex procedure requiring multi-organ resection. Once the disease is completely removed from the abdomen, then only HIPEC procedure is performed. What happens during HIPEC is that we heat up the chemotherapeutic drug using a specialized machine that is mixed. These chemotherapeutic drugs are mixed in a heated water which is at a temperature of around 41 to 43 degrees Celsius. So it is the heated chemotherapy that is circulating in the abdomen for the period of about 60 to 90 minutes. What heat does is that it increases the penetration of chemotherapeutic drug into the microscopic disease that might have been left behind after cytoreductive surgery. Since we are giving the chemotherapeutic drug locally, the systemic side effects are avoided. But what is more important during this phase is that both cytoreductive phase as well as hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy administration phase, both are complex procedures. There are many metabolic changes that can occur because of hyperthermia, second because of the chemotherapeutic drugs that are going on, and third because the extensive surgery that we have performed. Because it is a complex procedure, there might be some side effect that might occur. The commonest side effect are delayed return of the bowel function or the renal toxicity or kidney toxicity that might occur because of the drug that we are using. So this has to be done in a very controlled environment by a well-trained setup and well-trained surgeons as well as anesthetists and the ICU team. When it is done in a controlled setting, the side effects are minimal. Studies have shown that this procedure, that is hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy, when added to CRS, might have survival advantage in patients who has got advanced ovarian cancer and primary peritoneal cancer.